All right, this is going to be a kind of meta video because I'm technically recording this before I'm done putting the channel together. Over here, we have the animation that I created for the channel, Audioasis. It has some EA Sports vibes.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
So I would like to get rid of the EA Sports vibe. Let's fix that up. So I guess we'll start out. This popped into my head real quick. The trees, obviously, they're kind of tropical. So I came up with in FL Studio just a quick little hit for that using a steel drum. It's almost like an exponential delay, which is cool. I'm just going to go off screen and pull that in. Wow, that's got a really long tail, but that's okay. There. I try to time my sound effects like a frame after something starts, because since light moves quicker than sound, your brain is used to seeing something before hearing it. So it's the same thing. Like if you hear it at the same time you see it, it might actually sound kind of off. So Audioasis, we are in the desert, but there's like water and tropical. It's like, it's a safe place to be. I did download some sounds from Envato, not a sponsor yet. We're going to drag those in, and I definitely don't need all three, but I just wanted to test 3 out. Let me just solo this real quick. This sounds way too aggressive. No, we're not going with that one. This is nice because it's already got kind of like the sounds of like the oasis trees. There would be like insects and other creatures over there. I kind of like that. It's a very subtle wind, but you're probably in like a dry, windy place. And then let's just hear this one out of curiosity. I don't think there's going to be beating that one. A little aggressive. It does sound almost watery, like oceany. Right there. But let's just, for now, go with this one. I think we'll fade it in a little bit. Audioasis. All right, so I need a sound for the headphones coming in. And again, I want it to be subtle, nothing too aggressive. I probably will go... I forgot that's on autoplay. I probably will just go with what I always do, which is I have one file called 20 slow-mo sound effects, and it almost always has something that I am looking for. And that is very harsh. So my favorite thing to do for making a sound way less harsh is just to muffle the life out of it. Where is it? Slow-mo, there it is. Yeah, so basically all I do for this is just, it's a low pass filter and some reverb. It's way less harsh compared to audio. Yeah, it's very aggressive. Let me look up some synonyms for aggressive. Hostile, belligerent, bellicose. Yeah, none of these are really like the way I'm using aggressive. It's not the same. Offensive. Nice. Anyway, audio a little bit faster is good. And we're going to bring that down too, because we want it to be really subtle. Audio, and we're going to need like a little sound for the text, which luckily in Envato, I have an infographics pack, which is perfect for that kind of stuff. But that is horrible. However, let's muffle it. I swear like 90% of the time a sound is like 90% of what I need, but it's just too harsh. And I just give it a low pass, make it slow-mo. That sounds a little cooler, but not very desert. Not very Oasis, you know. I think I just got to go with something else. I think sometimes you just got to let go. And this is that time. This is that time to let go. Okay, some of these... I'm hoarding sounds now. I'm doing it again. I think like one of these dings or something might work well with the trees. And then what is this? Is this the little ploop? Ploop? Oh, that actually was kind of nice. Audio. Okay, and then we got our little tree ding. Oh, that's gonna be Audioasis. A little too soon on the trees there. Because we want to hear that ding basically when they get big. Also, what is this sound? What is this one? Oh, that's just the ding. Oh, so what was this one? Oh, that's the ploop. Okay. Ploop. All right, we're gonna... Honestly, the ploop works too. Maybe we ploop first, just as it shows up, like the ploop, and then Audioasis. All right, this is coming together. Sometimes, all right, I lied about keeping it simple. A lot of times, I like to just throw as many sounds at something as possible until it's too much, and then you dial it back. But until then, keep adding stuff. Oh no, I just thought of something else to do. All right, we're going to copy this. We're going to make it unique and hop in there. Always make your sound clips unique, because maybe it's just a setting that I have, but if I edit something that I drag in, it edits the actual file, which is not great when I want to use it for something else. Be safe, and just make it unique. It takes 1 extra click, 2 extra clicks. We're going to reverse this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we can work with that. We can do that. So this is gonna and then hit. Which is like, it's almost reverse reverb, but there's no reverb to reverse. But it's gonna be cool, I think. Basis. You know what? I had high hopes for this, and it's not. But hear me out. Hear me out. To hear me out later. Yeah, I wanted to make it work, but sometimes, like relationships, you can't force it to work. I got a little sidetracked. We were looking for something for the text, and I forgot. I got distracted, but we're back. We're back on the text. We got this thing. So we'll pop it. I'm just going to call this the muffle track. Oh, okay. Let's just call this the muffle track. And you can just kind of fade out. That is almost perfect timing. All right, that's good, but everything ends very abruptly. Like super abruptly. Let's just let it ride out. Like, why does it have to end right away? I kind of want something for the lines that are undulating in the background. I don't know what yet. That's a good sound. These are good sounds, man. What if we just have that going forwards and backwards? Oh, I mean, this is the Audioasis. We have to experiment a little bit. Honestly, like it's loud, it's aggressive, but it kind of fits there. If I'm being real with myself, trust me, I'm not actually gonna do it. Oh, but it does kind of work. It kind of works, but it sounds a little generic. So we're just gonna actually nuke it into almost non-existence, but you and me will know it's there. Yeah, you can barely hear it. I wonder if you can even hear the difference. You can. Let that be a lesson, though, for any future Audioasis videos. You're going to want to listen with some headphones. You got the back and forth, ping-ponging, panning, all of that. Kind of. Yeah, no, there's a little back and forth there. All right, well, I was getting sad that the video is almost done, but we have this to deal with. This Audioasis, this EA Sports nightmare to get rid of, or to fix up. So first off, I'm just going to give myself, I'm going to go to the sexy man preset. It's something. Maybe instead we hit him with a Audioasis. Just something chill. Just Audioasis. Yeah, it's all about that inflection too. Let me try that again. Audioasis. Ooh, that sounds kind of nice. I think that's it. Let's just bring the volume up a little bit. Audioasis. What happened? Oh, I did plus 14. Yeah, no thanks. No clipping here. Audioasis. For some reason, I don't know why, and I hate that this is my idea, but I feel like there needs to be a boom. I don't want to do that, but it just feels like the correct decision, so I'm gonna do it. That has some bass to it. I think that's what it is. I just want some bass. I don't think there's much bass in this sound whatsoever, and we want to fill the spectrum. That's kind of like exactly what I'm looking for with a few minor tweaks. Audioasis. That kind of works though. I need one last thing to wrap this all up in a little package. Audioasis. And I need that to ring out longer. Audioasis. Okay, I think for now that's what I'm gonna do. That's the sound, and the next time you hear it, it's gonna be on the finished video. Audioasis.